Hi guys, it's Paudie here. I'm a big Limerick man, and guess what? I'm a massive Celtic fan. I'm always over here at my grandpapa's house in Glasgow, but you won't see my grandpapa because they're a bit camera shy. Today I'm really excited to go to the Celtic training ground and to meet one of my favourite Celtic players, Liam Scales. Get him going!
Hiya, Paudie.
Hi, Liam. How are you?
How are you? Nice to meet you. This is for you.
Thank
this
you.
is a gift for me.
Thanks, Liam.
There you go. From the Europa League. I wore it in the Europa League, so it's got the little... It's cool, huh?
It's really good. I'm going to ask you a few questions, so okay?
No problem, Paudie.
Who is the hardest player you've faced in your career?
Probably Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yeah,
When we played, he's incredible. I played twice against him, but the first time they beat us in Portugal 3-0 and he scored 2 goals. All he needs is half a yard of space and the ball's in the back of the net, so that was a real challenge.
How do you relax away from football?
I like to do fishing.
Oh.
Yeah, I like to fish and I like to play a bit of golf as well when I can, when we're allowed, but sometimes we're a bit too busy.
Have you got a favourite band or song?
I used to listen to a lot of Oasis when I was younger, and then they obviously came back last year and I went to their gig, so I'd say Oasis, and I'd say my favourite song could be Live Forever.
Liam, thanks for having us today. I hope you win all of the games this season.
Thanks, Paudie.
Thank you.
Come on.
It was so nice to meet Liam. He was very kind. Next up, Celtic Park. Oh my God, unbelievable. This is Steel. This is one of the greatest managers ever. Oh my God, this is really cool, guys. Of course, I have to give a special mention to my best pal, Liam Scales.
If you play a football match without fans, you've got nothing. It can be the greatest game in the world. If there are no people there to watch it, it becomes nothing.
I hope you enjoyed following me today. And of course, come on, Celtic!